Okay guys, this is my day number 22 of my trip from Dharamsala to Calcutta by road in my camper. I am right in the middle of Calcutta, the heart of Calcutta. Actually, I would say the middle of the heart of Calcutta because this is Havra Bridge area. Yeah, that's an old building over here. I can see it's a beautiful place, but it's I think there's no one living in there. I can see all the doors broken down and everything. This is Central Avenue, the oldest road in Calcutta. The time right now is about 11 o'clock in the morning, and the temperature is 32 degrees centigrade, but it's like very, very humid. And it is like I'm sweating. But it's a beautiful place, and I am headed towards Havra Bridge right now, which is about 500 meters from here now, in the direction that I'm looking at. So I'm going to hire a rickshaw and go over the bridge and make a video down there. I see a lot of old buildings over here, and they are completely shut down for some reason, maybe safety or whatever. Oh, I wish I could have one of these and renovate them to the old glory that they used to have. That would have been nice. That is the fire station here. Just look at the building. Day number 22 of my trip from Dharamsala to Calcutta by road in my camper. I have just hopped onto a local bus over here, like maybe after 1,000 years. This is the first time I am on a local bus. This bus is going to take me across the Havra Bridge, and then I'm hoping to get off there and maybe walk back across the bridge. It's quite hot right now, and I don't think I will be able to do that, but I'm going to try it. Okay guys, I'm standing right in the door over here, standing outside, taking this video, going into the Havra Bridge in Calcutta. This is my first time in Calcutta, and this is the river Ganga here. We are not allowed to cross this bridge without a permit in our camper. But last night I did come over this bridge and the cop did let me go through. If you're bringing your camper or any car or private vehicle over here, you have to cross that bridge that you see across over on the other side. You're not allowed to bring your car if you don't have a West Bengal number over here. So this is the Harbor Bridge, almost at the end at the bus terminal. I'm going to be getting off here and then walk around a little bit and then go back. These are one of the old taxis over here, and I am thinking about taking this taxi back because I want to get into these old ambassador cars. Day number 22 of my trip from Dharamsala to Calcutta by road in my camper. Today is 12th of April 2024. I am in Calcutta right now and going to be crossing the Harbor Bridge. As you can see, I was on the other side over there, had to go all the way around and underneath this road in a subway to cross over to this side. So I'm going to be walking across. Lots of traffic and lots of people walking around. Roadside vendors. This is right on the bridge here. As you can see, I am on top of the bridge. Lots of expensive properties down here. Here is the river Ganga. As I'm standing on this bridge right now, I can feel this bridge shaking so heavily, like it is like a huge earthquake. with these buses and cars driving over it. I don't know if you can see the camera shaking here. This is the bridge that is actually shaking as I'm holding the camera against the grill on the bridge. Those are the ferries crossing somewhere. There is a ghats down there. Yeah, I can see the camera shaking here. Hey guys, I just had a shave. Feeling hot, sweaty, and excited also. This is the Havra Bridge. So I guess my trip ends over here in Calcutta. As per my original plan, I will be leaving tomorrow night, and I am extending the trip as I have some more time. I am thinking to go to Puri, Kanarak, Digha in Odisha, and then I don't know where else I'll be going after that. So I will keep on updating you guys.